Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So before getting into that, I want to thank each and every one of you who have been part of this beautiful journey from week 1 to week 12. So I think every one of you got benefited by somewhat through our videos. If that is the truth, then please keep supporting us like this forever guys, don't leave us. So now let's before getting into this video, let me remember you that we have prepared nearly 120 plus practice MCQs guys in the form of videos or membership videos. If you want that, you can just pay just 89 rupees only guys, because most of us are students and you cannot afford much amount. So as a student offer, we are giving for just 89 rupees only guys. With that, you can get 120 plus practice MCQs in the form of videos guys, but you cannot share that videos or you cannot download that videos. Only you can watch those videos in the membership. So it is both these MCQs are completely based on NPTEL syllabus guys. No outside nonsense is involved and specially designed for NPTEL students. So if you want to access these videos through this 89 video version, then go to our channel page S Kumar Reddy. You can search here in the search bar, or you can directly click the link I will provide in the description. So here there is join button, right? So click on that join button. So there are 3 packs available. In that you can select either 89 per month pack or 119 pack. In 119 pack, the specialty is all the remaining packs will be come within this pack only guys. So it is an all-in-one pack, and if I upload any live videos also, you can get only through 119 per month pack for some live videos. So it's better to take 119 pack, or if you want only recording videos, just click on 89 per month pack and click on join guys. That's it. You will become member of our channel and you can get access to not only that particular course guys, you can get access to all these videos that I upload. So here if you can see that I have uploaded both the parts of blockchain and its application course. So here you can see 2 parts. So 2 parts covers 12 weeks guys. So all the 12 weeks content, I have touched all the most of the 12 weeks content in the both these 2 videos combinedly. So already I uploaded two videos from week 1 to week 12. So if you want to get this access, join our channel guys. Already many people have joined. So these are our top 8 members. So I hope I will see you soon in this top 8 leaderboard. So the next one is main thing. So the PDF version guys, PDF version is for 500 because you can share that to anyone, right? So it is better than the 89 membership guys. I will explain how it is. So if you see that, if it is a semester subject and there are some more classmates to join in this to share the money, suppose there are 35 members in your classroom who are doing this course, no need 35 guys. Just if 10 members are interested, if you divide this 500 by 10, so for 50 rupees only you are getting that, right, for each individual person. So just for 50 rupees per individual, you will get this 120 plus MCQs, right? So combinedly you can make the payment of 500 per each person. You will per each person it will take just 50 rupees to get this 120 MCQs individually, right? So join in this 500 PDF guys. Already many people have taken, especially this blockchain and this application course. That's why I'm stressing the 500 pack. So what is the use of PDF version compared to video? So in video is not shareable guys, as I have already told you earlier. So you can just watch the video, you cannot download that or you cannot share that, but the PDF is shareable. You can share to 1 person or 1000 persons, it doesn't matter. You can share to any number of people guys. It is very much helpful for classmates who are doing this course as a part of your semester. And second one, the price is also reduced on each person if you buy in groups. That's why I call it as classmates pack. And the other thing is, it is easy to search questions. In video you cannot search, right? There is no search button, but in video, in PDF you can get search. You can be able to search questions. And the another thing is that you can easily revise before exam. You can sit in your vehicle or your bus or bike, anything, or car. You can sit, even though you are in travel. If you are not driving, if you are in travel also, you can easily scroll the PDF before the exam within short span. But if you want revise in video, it takes long time. It takes hours, right? So if you want this 500 pack guys, just message me in the comment section. I will follow up from then. and or you can directly mail me. I have given my mail in the description, so anything is okay guys. So I think most of you are undergraduates, so think like a graduate guys, think smart. So choose this 500 PDF version, useful for whole class guys. So any one of your classroom, take the lead and message me in the comment section. Especially for this course, many people have taken the PDF guys. So now let's see the solutions. So this is week 12 assignment of the course blockchain and its applications. Now let's see the first question. Blockchain has been used in many electronic health record based use cases. It is true guys. So mark option B. Guys, if you want to suggest me any solution or change, you can do that in the comment section. If I get any update also, I will tell you in the comment section itself. So before the final submission, once again check the comment section. So mark option B. Now let's move on to the second question guys. Second one. In public blockchain, the identity of the participants are not always known. So I think it is also true guys. So the I think the probable answer is true. Next, third question. Which of the following is or are advantages of blockchain? So for third question, I think for option A, provides a decentralized platforms and marketplace. Next one, can avoid intermediaries. Next one, reduced cost of transactions. And final one, option D, better transparency. I think all A, B, C and D are the correct options. Now let's move on to the fourth question guys. So fourth one, which of the following is or are true for federated voting? So for fourth question, option A, B, C and also D. I think all these are probable answers guys. So mark A, B, C and D. Now let's move on to the fifth question. So fifth one, UBIN project is based on blockchain and distributed ledger technology DLT for clearing and settlement of payments and security. So for fifth question, I think it is absolutely true guys. So mark option A. Now let's move on to the sixth question. In which of the attacks end user consumers can create multiple accounts or identities for accessing the consortium services? So for for sixth question, the answer is option B, Sybil attacks. Sybil attacks, right? So mark option B for sixth question. Now let's move on to the seventh one. To allocate consumer requests among service providers, which of the following scheduling algorithms is implemented? So for seventh question, I think the correct answer is option A, fair scheduling algorithm. So mark option A guys. Now let's move on. To the eighth question. So eighth one, Quorum supports transactions with what? So the correct answer is option D, either private or public state for a transaction. So mark option D guys. Now let's move on to the ninth question. So before getting into the ninth solution guys, I am once again reminding you that PDF version is just 500 rupees guys. You can share that price among your classmates and you can buy that. So if you want to buy this 500 version, just message me in the comment section guys, or you can directly mail me. I have given my mail in the description. So already many people have particularly taken this course as PDF rather than video guys, as per our sources, because everyone want these benefits of PDF compared to that video, because video is not shareable but the PDF is shareable. You can share that, right? You will get 120 plus MCQs guys in this PDF version. Next, price is reduced on each person if you buy in groups. You already know that. That's why I call it as classmates pack. And it is easy to search questions and revise before the exams. You can easily scroll the PDF before the exam, but it is not possible through video version. So it's better to take this 500 PDF version if you are in a semester, or if you are only one person, single person, and you cannot afford 500, then only try this 89 version, guys. You will get membership. Don't need to ask for this 89 membership. You can directly join our channel. But if you want this 500 PDF, you have to definitely ask me in the comment section so that I can process you. So next question, if you have any doubts regarding, please ask me in the comment section regarding this membership, guys. Next question. So ninth question. Which of the following is true about the selection of random committee in the Algorand network? So for ninth question, the correct answer is option C. The nodes elect themselves as a committee member by winning a local computation. So the correct answer is option C. Now let's move on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th question. What are the advantages of Hyperledger? So guys, for 10th question, I think option A, open source, option B, identities of parties must be known, and private channels. I think all three options are correct, guys. If there is any suggestions to be made, you can do that, but I think these three are the probable solutions. So that's it, guys, for this video. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share this with your friends, guys. So guys, if any of our videos or any of our solutions helped you and in getting benefited, so please remember that, guys, our channel, and keep supporting us like this forever. So don't leave us. So that's it, guys, for this video and for this season semester course. So hope I will see you in next course, probably, if you do that. So I have already told you, so the PDF version is very better, guys, compared to the video version, and you can get practice MCQs, nearly 120 plus practice MCQs, guys. So that's it, guys, for this video. So I wish you all the best for your final exam. Do well, guys. So if you do good, I will feel very much satisfied, guys. Please try to share your marks after the results arrive. I will feel very much satisfied if you perform well in your exam. So that's it, guys. So I wish you very good luck, guys. So that's it. So be happy. That's it, guys. So have a good day. Tata, bye bye.